guess what showed up? Check it out. Now look, in this huge hallway, I've got my Triatron. It finally showed up. What's cool about this is we're taking this Triatron, everybody, over here, down through this section, and into the basement, under the pool, to make the temperature, moisture perfect. But what I want to show you is look below. Check it out. The guy installed the marble staircase. So I want you to come down and take a look at how this comes together, because actually it is so cool. So we've actually lined the stairs on that side, the areas that we're doing, with actual heat cables. So everywhere throughout the house, you've got the heat running throughout all the hard surfaces, marble floors, basement floors, bathroom floors. But I thought we'd get a kick out of this. Come on in. These have been custom cut already. The boys have just put the adhesive on the back, and here you go. You're gonna witness us actually installing a marble step. Check it out. Look at that. Perfect. Look at this. Look at the beautiful bulbos. Look at the section here. Look at the riser that was already set in place. This looks amazing. The little pieces on the side there that you see, of course, they're the lights and the stringers. And as I mentioned before, underneath this area here, where you see the scratch, we've actually got the heating elements. Wait till I get to the top stairs and finish this. You're gonna love it.